I never fully trust them, especially this one.
Now, before I alienate other Testarossa owners with my comments about trustworthiness of this car, let me put it in a little bit of context. So, in the last 2 years, I've had to transport the car on a trailer 4 times due to breakdowns. So once was due to the coils going on the car, and then I had clutch problems on the other occasions. And so it obviously doesn't help to build the trust in a vehicle when something like that happens. The point is, with a classic, your brain is always listening for a new sound, for a new noise, for a new vibration, a new smell, something that you didn't hear or feel the day before. That's always happening. And cow shit on the road. I think the reason I don't trust this car has nothing to do with the reliability of it at all. I think it's because it is so important to me. This car has been on my bucket list, on my wall, for over 40 years. And when you finally get it, and something that important to you, you don't stop worrying about it. It's like a part of the family. So when people ask me, what do I dislike about owning a classic Ferrari? It's nothing to do with the car, not at all. It's about that small amount of worry that you have when you care about something so much. And frankly, that's a price I'm willing to pay. I love that sound.